Hello guys, today I'll be doing a train horn on my keyboard. So, let's get started. And by the way, if you're wearing headphones, headphone user warning. You have been warned. So, let's get started. If you are wearing headphones, headphone user warning. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now we're going to do the Amtrak horn. Let's do this horn. Trying to keep you guys up here. Alright. Okay. Topped off, we're going to do a Queen Mary too. And then we'll top it off again with a K5LA. Thank you all for watching.